Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher.
So good morning guys from this part of the planet. This is day 3, me being here. I just woke up. It's 8, almost 9 a.m. So trying to wash utensils, make breakfast, then we can start our day. So this is the official beginning of another vlog. Yeah. So this is going to be like my morning routine on vacation, half morning routine on vacation, as well as an update video. Because guys, this is the last video that you're gonna see from this apartment, because as I told you before, we booked another apartment, but the person that was there before us extended their stay, so we were forced to stay in this apartment for 2 days before we moved to the apartment that we originally booked. So yeah, so this is the last time that you're seeing me in this apartment. So the next video will probably be the tour of the next apartment. I hope you're excited for that, because it's a really beautiful one, I promise you guys. So I'm just gonna wash the utensils, then we're gonna make breakfast. Let's see what we're making for breakfast today.
They look like beef.
Let me tell you guys, I've never eaten gizzards my whole life, because in the Luya culture, gizzards are eaten by the fathers. Let me tell me what your culture says, but mine, gizzards are for men. This is the first time I'll be eating gizzards in my whole life. So let's fry these creatures. They look really, really tasty. So here is the final breakfast, guys. Some boiled eggs, bread, gizzards and sweetened coffee. Guys, let me tell you, the gizzards were slapping. Maybe this is your sign to try and eat gizzards alone, especially if you've never eaten gizzards. If you are a Luya woman, you've never eaten a gizzard, it's time to break those. Anyway, tell me what you think, guys.
Our hearts beat